Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed question number 7. Now today we will start from the question number 8, that is subtraction. Again I will solve for you, that is first part. हमें बोला है क्वेश्चन में 61.95 फ्रॉम 76.69 फ्रॉम लगाया है तो 79.69 61.95. So we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 5 it will be 4. अब 6 में से 9 नहीं जाते हैं. We have to take borrow 9. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 decimal 8. 8 minus 1 7 and 7 minus 6 1. तो ये क्या हो गया 17.74. Now second, third, fourth is your homework. चलिए find the value. Now move to the ninth question. Ninth question, that is first part 19.60 minus 7.69. तो माइनस करेंगे तो 0 में से 9 नहीं जाता है. We have to take borrow 10 minus 9 1. Remaining बचा 5. 15 minus 6 it will be 9. Remaining बचा 8. 8 minus 7 1 and 1. तो ये क्या हो गया 11.91. Now rest of the parts, that is second, third, fourth is your homework. चलिए question number 7. Question number 10, first part 54.05 and 28.71 को क्या करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. 5 minus 1 4. अगेन 0 में से 7 नहीं जाता है. 10 minus 7 3 decimal 3. अगेन बोरो 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स 5 and remaining बचा 4. 4 minus 2 that is 25.34 and rest of the parts, that is second, third, fourth is your homework. चलिए अब हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. That is question number 11. Now Raman had rupees 17.25. He bought for rupees milk लेकर आया rupees 6.90. Find the balance amount left with Raman. अब हमें ये बताना है कि रमन के पास रुपीस कितने थे 17.25, जिसमें से वो रुपीस 6.90 का मिल्क लेके आ गया. अब पीछे उसके पास कितने रुपीस बचे. तो चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. दैट इज रमन डैश डैश इट विल बी Raman dash it will be again Raman. तो अब हम इसका सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे. क्या रमन had rupees 70.25. He bought milk for rupees 17.25. देन कितने का मिल्क लेके आता 6.90. we have to do subtraction 5. then 12 minus 9 it will be 3. remaining बचा 6. 6 minus 6 0 and 1. तो रिमेनिंग जो रुपीस बचे थे उसके पास दैट इज 10.35. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे the balance amount left with Raman rupees 10.35. That's the final answer. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next, that is question number 12. फिर हम चलते हमारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 पर. चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 50. जो सम है टू नंबर्स का वो 50 है. इफ वन ऑफ देम इज रुपीज 32.09, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द अदर. चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स, क्या है टू नंबर्स का? 50. वन नंबर इज, वन ऑफ देम दैट इज 32.09. अब हमें क्या करना है, इसको इसमें से सबट्रैक्शन करना है. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 50.00. तो 9023, सॉरी 50 में से हमको सबट्रैक्शन करना है 32 का. तो 50 32.0900. तो 9 नहीं, हमें इससे बोरो लेना पड़ेगा. 10 minus 9 1, remaining 9. Then 9 minus 2, it will be 7. 4 minus 3, it will be 1. तो यही हो गया हमारा आंसर, 17.91. Other number is, you have to write other number. Other number is 17.91. That's the final answer. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next question. That is 13th question. Raju covered a distance of 10 kilometer 219 meter. He traveled 6 kilometer 782 meter by car and rest by bus. कुछ किलोमीटर उसने कार से कवर किया और कुछ किलोमीटर बस से. How much distance he traveled by bus? We have to find the travel distance of by bus. Let's start. Question number 13. We have to write the solution. Raju total covered distance is equals to, कितना कवर्ड करता है? 10 किलोमीटर 219 मीटर. 10 किलोमीटर 219 meter, right? Then we will write he traveled by car. He traveled by car. कितना ट्रेवल किया था कार से? 6 किलोमीटर 782 मीटर, राइट? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसका सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, राइट? लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई एम डूइंग हियर किलोमीटर and meter. 10 and 219, then 6 and 782. माइनस करेंगे, 9 minus 2, it will be 7. Then we have to take borrow. 11 minus 8, it will be 3. Remaining बचा 1. Again 10 में से borrow लिया 11. 11 minus 7, it will be 4. Then remaining 9. 9 minus 6, it will be 3. तो ये हो गया 3 किलोमीटर 437 मीटर उसने ट्रेवल किया था बस से. Now we have to write the answer. That is, he traveled by bus 3 kilometer 437 meter. That's the final answer. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next, that is 14th question. Raju covered a distance of 10 kilometer 219 meter. He traveled 6 kilometer 782 meter by car and rest by bus. कुछ किलोमीटर उसने कार से कवर किया और कुछ किलोमीटर बस से. How much distance he traveled by car? That is 14th question. चलिए, now a pot weight 19 kg and 452 gram, it was melted. After melting, its weighed 16 kg 951 gram. How much metal was lost by melting? So this question is your homework. आपको सिर्फ उसका metal कितना lost हुआ by melting. Next, Ranjana bought a book for rupees 131.75. She gives rupees 200 to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return to her? Again, you have to do subtraction. वो कितने की बुक लेके आई? ₹131.75 की. उसने शॉपकीपर को कितने रुपीस दिए थे? 200. So you have to subtraction from 200 minus 131.75. Again, this question is your homework. Your chapter is completed. Now move to the next, that is unit test worksheet. Oral assessment ting tong is your homework. हम चलते हैं हमारे यूनिट टेस्ट वर्कशीट पे. चलिए, दैट्स द यूनिट टेस्ट वर्कशीट. 8/1000 को जब कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? दैट इज 0.008. 5.10, it's very easy. 0.5. Next, 184 divided by 100, it will be 1.84. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next, that is fourth question. चलिए, 207 is written as, that is 207, 200.7, right? The value of 423/100, तो क्या हो जाएगा? That is 40 decimal. क्या है हमारा क्वेश्चन? I repeat it again. To the value of 423/100 is, that will be, क्या हो जाएगी? 4.23. Next, 5.6 lies between the whole numbers 5 and 6. Next, ₹16 and 7 paisa is equals to the, that is rupees 16.07, right? Now 765 meter is equals to, तो हम क्या करते? 1 meter is equals to 1000 kilometer. तो स्टूडेंट्स हम इसको अपॉन में करेंगे. दैट विल बी 0.765 kilometer. Next, that is 9th question. 4 kg 19 gram is equals to the, that is 41.9 kg, right students? Now move to the next, that is 10. 6 kilometer 32 meter is equals to the, किसके इक्वल होगा स्टूडेंट्स? 6.032 किलोमीटर. चलिए, अब हम चलते हैं हमारी सेकेंड, दैट इज fill in the blanks. Now, decimal having different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Unlike decimal. Next, every decimal numbers can be expressed on number line. Now, third fill-ups, fourth fill-ups is your homework. 3.067 is dash than 3.076. Now, that is less. Next, sixth one, the expanded form हमने chapter में किया था. So again this is your homework, you have to expand this. Next, rupees 28 and 6 paise in the decimal form, that is rupees 28 decimal, rupees 28 that 0.6 paise. Right students, now move to the next, that is 2467 gram is equals to the 2.467 kg. हमने ग्राम को केजी में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. 1 gram is equals to 1000 kilogram. So if you want to take screenshot, you can take and solve the following, and true false is your homework. Your chapter is completed. That's all for today. Thank you, class.